Welcome all in the next session of Regular Falsi Method. Previously, we have seen how to solve these equations or roots of these equations by false position method. So we know the procedure. Now we'll solve next example. You can see on the screen. Find root of x into e raised to x minus 3 is equal to 0 by regular falsi or false position up to 3 iteration. So first, let write down given equation f of x is equal to x into e raised to x into e raised to x minus 3. Say it as equation 1. Here we don't have trial points, so we have to find trial points. We have to find trial points. So what we have to f of 0 0 e raised to 0 minus 3. On your calci, there is one button that is e raised to 0. So on calci, you can solve this like 0 e0 minus 3. Okay, so e raised to 0 is 1, but into 0 is 0 minus 3. So final answer is minus 3, which is less than 0. Next step is f of 1 1 e1 minus 3. So on calci you can solve 1 e1 minus 3 is minus 0.2817, which is also less than 0, that is negative. So now next we have to find value of 2 also, because this 2 both are negative. So 2 e square minus 3. So on calci you can solve it as 2e2 minus 3. So the answer is 11.778, which is positive greater than 0. So our interval is 1 and 2. Our trial points are 1 and 2. So we can write here root lies between 1 and 2. So we'll update this line. Roots are 1 and 2. Function value of these functions, one is negative, f of 1 is negative and f of 2 is positive. Okay, so we'll write both values over here. F of 1 is equal to minus 0.2817. F of 2 is 11.778. Okay, these are two values. Now we'll solve first iteration. First iteration. Okay, in previous video we have already seen how to form this formula for x1. This root lies between 1 and 2. So formula for x1 is 1 f of 2 minus 2 f of 1 divided by f of 2 minus f of 1. Okay, so now put these values in this equation. Then we have x1 is equal to 1 as it is into f of 2, means value of function of 2 is 11.778 minus 2 into f of 1 is minus 0.2817 minus 0.2817 divided by, these brackets are same as it is, 11.778 minus 0.2817. This is point. Okay, so you can solve numerator separately as well as denominator separately. I will solve the numerator. 11.778 minus 2 into 2817 is 12.3414 divided by denominator is 11.778 2817 is 12.0597. So my division, the answer is 1.0234. So our answer for x1 is 1 point. I will write here 1.0234. Now next step is put this value in equation 1. Put x1 is equal to 1.0234 in equation 1. Okay, then the answer is f of 1.0234 is equal to 1.0234 e raised to 1.0234 minus 3. Okay, and can see there is some function which can give the answer minus 0.152, which is negative, that is less than 0. Okay, so this negative side will get cancelled. New interval is 1.0234 and 2. So we'll write here root lies between 1.0234 and 2. Okay. Similarly, we need the values of functions also. So f of 1.0234 is just we have solved minus 0.152 minus 0.152. Similarly, we need the value f of 2, which is on previous step f of 2 is 11.77. Okay, so we have some simple values. Next step, second iteration. Next, second iteration. Second iteration, that is x2. So formula for x2 from this 1.0234 and 2. So I can write 1.0234 f of 2 minus 2 f of 1.0234 divided by f of 2 minus f of 1.0234. So the answer is 1.0234 into function value of 2. You can see here 11.778, 11.778 minus 2 into f of 1.0234 is minus 0.152 minus 0.152 divided by 11.778. This bracket values are same as it is, minus 0.152. Solve numerator and denominator separately and then solve the answer. So numerator is 12.3576 divided by denominator is 11.93. And the division of this numbers are 1.0358. Okay, so this is the value of x2. So we'll update this line 1.0358. 0.0358. Now we have to check this function value is negative or positive. For this, we have to put this new value of x in equation 1, 1.0358 in equation 1. Then the equation 1 becomes 1.0358 is equal to, the equation is x into e raised to x minus 3. So the answer is 1.0358 e raised to 1.0358 minus. Okay, so by using calci, you can solve this. The answer is minus 0.0818. So our answer is negative, that is less than 0. So we'll write this negative. So which side will get cancelled? This side. Okay. This negative cancelled. So our new interval is 1.0358 and 2. So I will write here root lies between root lies between 1.0358 and 2. So f of 1.0358 is minus 0.0818, and the f of 2 you can see here f of 2 is 11.778. 11.778. Okay, now we'll solve x3, that is third iteration. Third iteration. Okay, because in example you can see here in given exam up to 3 iteration given example. Okay, so x3, by using this one we have to write the formula 1.0358 f of 2 minus 2 f of 1.0358 divided by this function value is same as it is, that is f of 2 minus f of 1.0358. I will put these values 1.0358 into f of 2, it's 11.778 minus 2 into f of 1.0358 is minus, from previous step you can see 0.818, okay, divided by 11.778 minus 0.0818. Here also you can solve numerator separately and denominator also separately. Now by solving this numerator, answer is 12.3634 divided by 11.8590. So the answer is 1.0425. After 3 iterations, the answer is 1.0425. So after this x3 you can stop. Okay. This example is also for 4 marks. Next one, on screen you can see next example, that is x log x is equal to 1.2 between 2 and 3 by Regula Falsi method up to 2 iterations. Sorry, up to 2 iterations. Okay, so different one is there is log, yeah. On calculator you can see this button log. Okay, so first we have to simplify this equation according to our method, that is x log x. This 1.2 becomes minus on another side, so the answer is this one. Okay, so now our f of x is x log x minus 1.2. So see it as equation 1. Okay. Here we have given two trial points, that is 2 and 3. So we have to check only this one. So what we can write here, check given trial points. Check given trial points. Okay. So first I will put 2 in equation 1, that is 2 log 2 minus 1.2, 2 log 2 minus 1 point. On calci, you can solve 2 log 2 minus 1.2. I will solve this minus 0.5979, which is negative less than 0. Now I will put 3, 3 log 3 minus 1.2. On calci, we can solve 3 log 3 minus 1.2 is 0.2314, which is positive greater than 0. So given trial points are correct. So we can, what we can write here, root lies between 2 and 3. Root lies between 2 and 3. Okay, so for this method we need the value f of 2 and f of 3. Okay, so f of 2 is minus 0.5979 and f of 3 is 0.2314. Okay, these are two values. Now we'll go for the first iteration. First iteration. In first iteration, you have to solve x1. Formula for x1 is from this 2 and 3. We'll write 2 f of 3 minus 3 f of 2 divided by f of 3 minus f of 2. Before this, we have to update this line. Our trial points are 2 and 3. Value of 2 is negative, value of 3 is positive. Okay, so now solve x1 is equal to x1 is equal to 2 f of 3. F of 3 is 0.2314 minus 3 into f of 2 is minus 0.5979 divided by, these brackets are same as it is over here, 0.2314, middle sign is minus, minus 0.5979. Solve numerator and denominator separately, where we can find the answer directly. And calci, by using brackets, so the answer is 2.7210. Okay, you can check it. Put this new value of x1 in equation 1. Okay, this value 2.7210. Put this value in equation 1. Okay, put this value in equation 1. Then we have f of 2.7210 is equal to 2.7210 into log 2.7210 minus 1.2. By using calci, we can solve this one also. The answer is minus 0.017, which is less than 0. So the answer of this function is negative. So same side will get cancelled. Then root lies between root lies between our new interval is this one, 2.7210 and 3. Okay, this is our new interval. For this we need the function values. F of 2.7210 is, just we have solved, f of 3 is 0.2314. Okay, these are two values. Now next step is second iteration, that is x2. Formula for x2, from this we can write 2.7210 into f of 3 minus 3 into f of 2.7210 divided by f of 3 minus f of 2.7210, which is 2.7210 as it is. From previous step, f of 3 is 0.2314, 0.2314 minus 3 into f of 7210 is minus 0.0171 divided by, these brackets are same, 0.2314 minus 0.0171. You can solve numerator denominator directly. Answer, final answer is 2.74. Okay, so after two iterations the answer is 2.74. These are some different examples from regular equations, that is log or e raised to x. Okay, thank you.